So once you have all the screws in, next job now is to put back in this little guy for your SD card. It's the cover for your SD card. Just make sure the Samsung sign is facing down and just push it in. The next job then is the RAM. And we turn the laptop around so you can see what we're doing here. I'll zoom in a bit. So what you do here is you line up this little slot here. Can you see that? See that slot? And you line that up with this little slot here. Okay. And it goes in under that little lip. This little lip along here. And then just push. You'll almost hear it clicking. And then just push down on both sides. And you'll hear it clicking again. And just make sure that it's snug in there. And that's lining up at the back. And then you just take your grill and just pop that back in. And you get your screw and you put that in here. Just snug again. And then all we have to do now is put back in the battery. You just line it up with this guy here, with this guy here. So that's the plug for the battery. And it just slips down into place. We'll zoom out now so I can show you that. So again, line it up, this guy with this guy here. And just slide it in from the back. And it just clicks into place. And make sure you put the lock on it here again. You see the little red dot? Slide this guy over that way. And this one is automatically set. Okay, that's how you do it, and that's your hard drive replaced in your Samsung N110. Now, when you make a systems image, you need to place it on an external hard drive. So this is an external hard drive now. I bought this one for €60 and it's a 500 gig and it is USB 3. You see the little blue? That's an indicator that it's USB 3. I hope you can see that blue. And it is backward compatible with USB 2. And this laptop would be a USB 2, it wouldn't have USB 3 speeds, it would only have USB 2. So you'd have that guy and you'd plug them in to one of the USB slots. There's two here and there's one over here. Either or. Let me show you that. And then you'd make your system's image, and the system's image would go onto that drive. And so that's all you need for making a system's image through Windows operating system. You'd go into Systems and Restore, and on the left hand panel you'll see Create a Systems Image, and I have a video for that too, and I'll have a link down below this video for that video on how to make a systems image. So before you'd replace the hard drive in a laptop, you'd make a systems image, right, to be on the external hard drive, and you'd replace the hard drive in the laptop or a netbook or even a desktop, and you'd replace the hard drive with a new one, and then what you do is you plug in your external hard drive into the system, turn it on, turn your system on, and you'll see operating system not found. So you have to transfer your system's image from here to here. And in order to be able to do that, you will need a USB bootable flash drive with a copy of a systems repair disk on it, or a systems repair disk on a CD or DVD, and use an external DVD player to run that systems repair disk. I will explain both methods in the next video. Thanks for watching.